Good morning. I'm going to teach from the couch today. Why not? You guys are on the couch. Why shouldn't I be on the couch? Hey, math. Math. Pages. We're going to look over your homework from last night, 7:29 and 7:30. I've got my blackboard. Where's my marker? There's my marker. Ha ha. There's my iced coffee. Not enough. Life is good. Iced coffee. All right. Open up your books. 7:29. First question was 2/3 times 12. Look at this. Made this a little better. 2/3 times 12. What's the first thing you had to do? First thing you had to do is change this 12 into a fraction. All whole numbers. Should I go like this a little bit? Here. Deep. All whole numbers. You can make a fraction just by putting it on top of a 1. Because it's 12 divided by 1 is 12. Multiply the top two numbers, 24. Multiply the bottom numbers, 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. There's no remainder, so your answer is 8. Right? All good? Questions? Post questions below. Second one, 3/10 times 8. 3/10 times 8. Change it into a fraction. 3 times 8 is 24. Again, 24 again. What's up with that? 10 times 1, 10. How many times can you put a 10 into 24? 2. You want to do it this way? 24 divided by 10. 2. 2 times 10 is 20. Subtract, you get a remainder of 4. 2. Oh, we're getting too low here. 2, remainder of 4 over 10. You can simplify. That one's even, that one's even. Divide them both by 2, you get 2 and 2/5. 2 and 2/5. Simplifying. Always remember you gotta simplify. Third one, 8 times 1/5. The answer, of course, would be 1 3/5. 8 times 1, on top, 8 over 5. 8 divided by 5 goes in 1 time. Get 3 left over, so it's 1 3/5. Number 4, 13 times 1/2. 13 times 1/2 is 13 divided by 2. Because why? Because 13 times 1/2 is 13. 13 times 1 is 13. 1 times 2 is 2. You can simplify that by making it 13 divided by 2. Goes in 6 times. Gives you 12. Got a remainder of 1. So it's 2 and 1. No. God. Jeez. Forget that. Ignore that. Stop. I did it wrong. Go back. Same question. Start again. I'm not going to start a whole new video just because I made one mistake. Teachers make mistakes. Let's try it again, shall we? Thank you. 13 divided by 1/2. 13 times 1/2. Yes, it is 13 over 2. 13 divided by 2 is 6. Remainder of 1. That's your answer here. That's where I messed up. 6. Remainder 1 divided by 2. 6.5. Number 5. 20 times 3/5. 20 times 3 is 6. 20 times 3 is 60. Boy, I need more coffee this morning. 20 times 3 is 60. On the bottom, you got 5 times 1. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. Number 6. 3/10 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. On top. On the bottom, 10 times 1 is 10. So it's 21 over 10. Simplify that. 2 and 1/10. 10 went into 22 times. You had 1 left over, 1 remainder. So you had 2, 1/10. Right? We're good? I hope we're good. Remember, post your questions below. Turn the page. The length of a popcorn machine is 3/4 of its height. The height is 24 inches. What is the length of the machine? 24 times 3/4 will give you the answer. So we're going to multiply 24 times 3/4. 24 times 3 is, 3 times 20 is 60, 3 times 4 is 12, add them together, 60 plus 12 equals 72. Bottom is 4, divide 72 by 4. 1. Bring down the 2, 4 goes into 32, 8 times. No remainder. Oh, no remainder. Excellent. Our answer is 18. Answer number 7 is 18. Number 8, Quentin. Yay, Quentin. Quentin is making bread and wants to triple the recipe. The recipe calls for 2/3 cup of sugar. How much sugar will he need? 2/3 times 3. Triple. I'm tripling it. Multiplying it by 3. I'm tripling it. I'm doubling it. I multiply by 2. I'm quadrupling it. Times 4. Quintupling it. Times 5. Sextupling it. Times 6. No one ever says that. Sextuple that. No one ever says that. Triple it, you said. Triple. Multiply by 3. What is it? 2/3 times 3? 2/3 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 goes into 6 2 times. All right? Tricky way of doing it. Easy way of doing it. This is the way to do it. You can do it like this always. If you want to do it sneakier, and encourage all of you to do it sneakier, let's do it the sneaky way. 2/3 times 3. You have a 3 on the top, you have a 3 on the bottom. Get rid of them. They cancel each other out because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So it's just a 1. When you do multiplying, ones don't really matter because anything times 1 is 1. So you can get rid of it. You can get rid of those. So all you have left is a 2 over a 1. So the answer is 2. Don't have to do it that way. You can do it this way. You can always do it that way. But when things are obvious, when you see, oh, I have something on the top and the bottom, they're the same, get rid of them. They'll make your life easier. Remember, we're trying to do as little math as possible. The better you know math, the less you have to do. Number 9, Joaquin has $24. He used 5/8 of his money to buy a pair of jeans. How much money does Joaquin have left? We multiplied 24 times 5/8. 120 divided by 8. 120 divided by 8 once. 4, bring down to 0. 5. 40, no remainder. The answer is 15. But, remember, how much money does he have left? $24 was what he had total. Spent 15 of it on jeans. Cheap jeans. Good buy, Joaquin. Good for you. How much money does he have left over? He has $9. Now he can buy some socks or some underwear to go with those jeans. Number 10. The length of a rectangle is 1/3 of its width. The width of a rectangle is 9 feet. What is the area of the rectangle? Okay. As we know, rectangle, we discussed this yesterday. You multiply the length, the width times the length. I say height. They're saying length. It's okay. One side by the other side. That's all you need to know. One side by the other side. One side is 9. The other is a third of that. So let's figure out what that is. A third of 9. 9 times 1/3 equals 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So now we need to find the area. Now we have to multiply. We found out this side, right? We found out that the length is 3. We know the width is 9. We multiply them times each other. 3 times 9, everybody knows, is 27. Number 11, Rico. Okay, Rico is making punch for 18 people. How much punch should Rico make if each person will drink 1/6 of a gallon? Multiply 18 times 1/6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. The answer is B. All right, this was your review of this math. Now I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to start you another one with our next homework on it. Again, multiplication of fractions. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, simplify. All you have to do, right? All right, talk to you soon.